to Adventures in TV Land. Another kind of sort of a food review. Not exactly. This is more about something that a particular fast food franchise is offering right now. Now, about 30 years ago, maybe even longer than that, 35 years ago, McDonald's, some of their Happy Meal toys were these little bitty chicken McNuggets that you had costume pieces. You could switch up with them, put on different, hats and items of clothing, things like that. They were called the McNugget Buddies. And McDonald's has brought them back, sort of. They've brought them back as an item you can receive in what is commonly referred to as the adult Happy Meal. And here it is, right here. This is the McDonald's Adult Happy Meal. Comes in this box. Now this box and the McNugget Buddies that you can possibly get with this item, they have been designed, I guess, by this person, the artist Kerwin Frost. I don't know who that is. I've never heard of him before, but he is responsible for designing the box and the McNugget Buddies that go in here. So here's kind of the four sides of the box. You have this side, shows the different McNugget Buddies that you can possibly get. There are 6 different ones, I believe. Oh yeah, it looks like they have names here. There's Uptown Mo, Don Bernice, Kerwin Frost himself, Darla, Brick, and Wafutu. So those are the names of these McNugget Buddies. The side here, got basically a kind of a portrait picture collage of the McNugget Buddies. The side is another side here with the McNugget Buddies in a different setting slightly. It's kind of a wintertime setting. And here, they're at a game. There's actually a game on this side. It says, "Yo, buddy, check it out. We all swapped outfits. Can you tell who's who? Mix and match." So who is who there? All right, so we're going to open this up. Now, it comes, of course, with the drink. You can either get a Big Mac or 10 chicken nuggets. I chose the Big Mac. No sense in eating that in front of you this time. So here is my McNugget Buddy. It comes in a separate box itself. So let's see here. McDonald's with the double packaging again, kind of like they did the Disney 100. So right here, you got a separate box where the McNugget Buddy is in, and the meal. Wafutu is the one, sorry. Kind of an unusual name. This is sealed with a McDonald's sticker. I know it's a little bit hard to see. I'm having to film this in my car today. Let's see, open this up. Oh, and they're wrapped up. They wrapped up themselves, kind of in a special wrapping paper. It says Kerwin Frost on it. Let's see who I got here. I have Darla. There's a card that comes with it. So we have Darla. Darla dips in tangy barbecue sauce. Lead singer of the Frostettos. Manages the McDonald's on Frost Way. Employee of the month every month. Ba-da-da-da. Number 3. She is number 3 McNugget buddy here. So, talking about you could mix and match kind of these, somewhat similar to the kit because the bottoms, see, they come off, as do the tops. And now you just have the little chicken nugget there. The McNugget buddy. So if you have other ones, you can switch them around. So there we have it. The Kerwin Frost Box from McDonald's. Right here, for a limited time, you can get your own, kind of a throwback to days gone by when McDonald's did things slightly better, in my opinion. They did things just a little bit better back in the day. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, it's a wrap.